Wha Gwann, everybody. We're checking out a restaurant that I hear has a killer curry goat. I hear it have everything you're looking for. It have the spice, it have the flavor, and they come in with the heat. They also have other stuff in there, the fried chicken, oxtail, full Jamaican menu. This is butter flakes. When you come in, they have the fried chicken on display. The chicken looks absolutely nice, crispy. Now like fried chicken look like it can go. Drinks, and then you come up and order. They have a whole showcase of things. Chip is there, and a banana chip, and even water crackers. And put some of the mashed fish. There's gizzard, there's grater cake, there's coconut drops, everything in there. This is butter flakes. I'm going to check out the curry goat. You just set the goat off the fire?
Yeah man, yeah man.
I'm here, so the goat legendary, you know.
Legendary.
Yeah man.
Dead. Stand up.
This is a big pot that you do every day.
Yeah. Yeah man, I cook every day.
So it's full to the brim,
you see. I'm going to knock it off now.
I'm trying to put it to the warmers.
Yeah.
Just off the fire. So the jerk chicken, normal, you know?
Normal. Because we're not doing an oven.
You don't do it in the oven?
No, do it straight off the grill.
That's fucking love. That is jerk chicken and not the jerk chicken.
Not in the oven. Not in the oven.
What else you have apart from goat?
We have oxtail.
Of course, oxtail is a must.
Yeah. We have brown stew.
Brown stew chicken.
We have curry chicken. You know?
3.
Two curry goat, and as always, when we do cook in a salt for cap off for there. So, let's take a peek at that. First bite of the curry goat. Flavor, right off the bat, flavor is incredible. And you get the spice. This is spicy goat. This is how I like goat to be done. Have the pepper, have the flavor, and that heat is really just flavor that you're getting on top of the curry. I can't have curry and it don't have that ample amount of pepper in there. It really has to have that to be even considered Jamaican curry to me.
The pepper in that is nice.
Yeah man, it's spicy.
Yeah, but
That's how we hear about it. That's why we're here. Very tender. I've had 2 pieces, and I think I can safely say this is the best goat I've had in the US. Jeffrey, how you say?
wicked.
It's definitely top 10, Roger.
Top 10 Roger. Give it that test, please. It really.
It really. And the rice and peas is not kidney bean, it's gungo peas that you come with.
Hungry rice, how much?
Yeah, mine too. If I knew it was gungo rice, I'd have gone with it. Eat though. Yeah man. Pepper come in, my nose definitely about to start run. Different cuts are part of a little more fat on it, but the flavor is incredible. The seasoning, smoke. You see that big pot of curry? I forget all of that flavor in. And the curry is really on point. I must say, it tastes like it's a wood-fired cooking.
I don't know if I said the last time we eat curry goat, but if I eat curry goat, I'm gonna know it's not run.
You did say it. You did say it.
Nose around the curry goat nice.
Video right here.
Yeah man, curry goat wicked.
I'm not mad with the serving size either.
It's a belly full and vampire.
Yeah man. One food equal 2 serving. So this can put down, arm up and have it again, lunch and dinner.
or bone. There's nothing for that to do. Curry bone, curry goat bone, and hot hair bone.
This is incredible.
You see that? Jerk chicken just reach, and the jerk chicken, this not cooking in an oven, this cooked on grill. I say hard for me to scotch bonnet alone. Yeah, man.
Feel like a reaper in
Yeah, man, I go in there
a
somewhere.
scorpion.
Oh, what name? Carolina Reaper?
Carolina Reaper, the scorpion last night.
One of them sneak in there, man. Hot your blow.
The nice one.
Nice. Nice.
That's something like that. No problem.
Oh, yeah, man, I'm tell you already, I'm tell you again. If my nose not run on me, I eat curry goat, I don't want it.
People who afraid of pepper.
People who afraid of pepper, I go about warm time.
Yeah. No pun intended.
Man, I sweat, bro.
But my nose start now. Yeah.
Yeah, but it really, I mean, I'm not stop eat it.
No, once you start, you can't stop. These are the spiciest goat meat in Florida.
Definitely.
Yeah, man. But I like it. Don't get me wrong.
No, I like it a lot. I'll do back.
Definitely. You can't stop. Forever.
Guys, I know as you said, a little drinks and now make it.
You need a bigger soda than that. That one, I never go with the coconut water and I think one gulp on that, done. And gravy upon the rice, everything, man. Yo, this goat is, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not like the pepper. This up we got turn in a Bombay. All of that is flavor, all of that is heat. Look at the cut of meat that is on it. Cut the camera like 3-4 times to stop eat. And we can't put it on. I literally cannot put it on. I got that gravy over so I can mix up. Yeah, a piece of pepper just got it on my throat. Hands on one of the best curry goats I've had in so far. In the US. I mean, curry goat from New York already. And this is definitely, this is top 5, Roger. Satisfying. Very flavorful. Very belly fully. It really is worth the journey, worth the drive. This goat is phenomenal. I mean, big up Naji. Naji, thank you for the link on this because this is a hidden gem here off a commercial boulevard. It really tastes like it was cooked on a wood fire. This is true Jamaican cooking, true Jamaican flavors, true Jamaican spice. This is how curry goat should be done. You have to have the pepper. You have to have it. As we came in, somebody said, I asked them how the curry goat is. First thing he said, spicy. This is excellent. I really have it come in like it really cook on logwood. Big up to the chef. Big up Chef Harry. After you have the curry goat, your sinuses should be cleared enough to come and try the jerk chicken. The jerk chicken, he said, it's not cooked in the oven. No jerk chicken is cooked in the oven. Sorry to who served them jerk chicken out of the oven, but the real truth is no jerk chicken is cooked in the oven. It has a smell. You can smell that it's smoky in there. Having that smoky smell. And if you look at it, it really has that look of jerk chicken across the back. See how the bite is. Yeah man, that flavor. More heap of smoke in it. Definitely not cooked in our oven. I'm getting pops across, a little bit of pops on it that giving it that jerk flavor. Not as hot or spicy as the goat, but nevertheless, not lacking flavor, not lacking smoke.
Yeah man, I got a belly full and I'm happy. Tastes very good.
Yeah man,
Food was good.
food was good. Food was good.
I'll definitely come back.
I will as well. Well, that was Butter flakes. And trust me, you gotta check this place out. The curry goat, mad. The jerk chicken, mad. The curry goat, spicy. Jerk chicken, flavorful. Whole heap of flavor, whole heap of just goodness that you're getting in there here in Florida. I mean, I did not expect that. Wow. That curry goat was just wow. Off of Commercial Boulevard here in Tamarac. Come check them out, man. Butter flakes.